Happy Wednesday, or should I say happy hump day. I am studying meteorologist Harrison Black, here to give you your semi-daily weather update. Here's your current conditions across the area right now. And we're sitting in the low 80s across the Tennessee Valley with just some scattered, isolated downpours. I do expect that trend to continue as we move into the afternoon. Maybe coverage gets a little bit more widespread as we move on. Here's your projected highs based off of the national blend of models across the region. 84, 83 around here today. And as you work your way south, it does warm up as you get farther south. 85 in Anniston and Tuscaloosa, 87 in Montgomery, and then you get into the low 90s as you get close to the Gulf Coast. Goodness gracious. 7 p.m. today in the upper level charts, you can see that we still have that high pressure just to our north. Thankfully, the heat dome aspect of that is staying away from us because we are still kind of dealing with that tropical air mass. We have the low pressure that was over Mississippi yesterday has now moved into Texas, and that's creating a lot of the flash flooding threats that they're having and dealing with today. 2 p.m. today based off the HRRR. This is just what the radar could look like. Kind of more of the same. We're already kind of seeing that look on radar. I do expect that to continue as we move through the day today. And then tomorrow there is a chance of some scattered thunderstorms, though I'm not expecting coverage to be especially high, but I've drawn that dashed line to kind of represent where the boundary is set up, and models do kind of agree where that boundary is going to be. So it's going to be along into the east of that where you'll see those storms. 7 p.m. on Friday on the upper level chart. You can see we've got a little disturbance in the Gulf, but that's not really impacting our weather majorly at that point. There's not really anything. The ridge is kind of dying out at that point, and there's no really there's no real dominant flow. It's just a weak ridge across the nation with some scattered isolated upper level lows. 5 p.m. on Friday, that boundary kind of moves a little bit to the west, but it's just going to be along and east of that boundary where you will see those scattered thunderstorms. And then on Sunday, we have a little bit of a trough. You don't really see that much in July, but that looks wet and stormy there. 7 p.m. on Saturday, you can see scattered thunderstorms. That's kind of the idea there. And then same thing on Sunday with maybe a little less coverage as maybe we get some drier air to start the week next week. Here's your 7-day rainfall totals, generally ranging around here anyways, from 1 to 2 inches, and 6 to 10-day precipitation outlook just above normal in terms of precipitation. So here's your 5-day forecast. We will be in the mid 80s until this weekend. We'll get up into the upper 80s, but right now it doesn't look like we'll touch 90, but that of course could change with time. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week and a wonderful hump day and Wednesday.